Hi there traders, and welcome back to the daily recap shows for the FTSE and Dax. I've been away, but I am back now and raring to go. So we started the reports up again on Friday. We're going to start with the FTSE as always. So these were the zones of reference. We said we had initial support at 7016 to 7024. If we held above there, then we could see a sustained break above initial resistance at 7050 to 7058. Then we could see moves to 7084 to 94. However, we needed to be aware of resistance at yesterday's close of 7074 as well. We said if we got a sustained break below 7016 to 7024, then we could see moves towards the main support today at 6950 to 6960. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE. Okay, so we've got this break below at 7016 to 7024 in the pre-market session. We actually then got a nice reversal on a retest of that pattern of that zone there as well to suggest a sustained break, and we could have taken that down into this zone for a nice little trade there. We didn't quite go all the way down to this the main support zone, but if you had gotten on that signal there, then you certainly would have been booking profits or looking to book the bulk of your profits in this zone here. We then got to push back above what was the initial support zone, and again we've got a retest here. Unfortunately, not quite a reversal pattern there. However, we then got a bit of a continuation pattern on the next one, and that took us up into that initial resistance zone at 7050 to 7058. We did get a reversal pattern there as well, and that could have taken us down into this area here before we got some news out at 1:30 in the US. We then got the push up. Now, we said that we needed to be aware of resistance at 7074, which was the close from the previous day, and you can see the high there was at 7075, so that actually stayed true as well, and there was actually a nice reversal pattern there as well. Again, I probably would have just been taking this down into this zone here, not trying to take it all the way down here. And that was really it. So you can see there the zones played out quite well, and quite a few opportunities actually on the FTSE on Friday as well. So I'm hoping you're seeing the value. I hope you managed to get something out of that. Please let me know what you think. And now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so with the DAX, we said that 13185 to 13210 has the potential to provide resistance today. However, stronger resistance is at 13250 to 13275. Initial support was at 13055 to 13075, with further support at 13005 to 13025. So let's go and have a look at the DAX. Okay, so here's the action on the DAX, and as you can see, that 13055 to 13075 initial support zone provided the nice support on Friday. So a little bit of a reversal pattern here. Would have been nicer just to have taken out that low there. That would have been nicer, but it didn't quite do that. We then got the liquidity grab here, and that was the push higher. Again, another one there. Probably would have preferred it to take out that liquidity there before getting long. So a few opportunities there, though, to get long from that initial support zone. You can see, other than that, the market was just very choppy on Friday. We got this big spike on the news, and other than that, nothing really. We've got the push up, not full acceptance. So although we've got a continuation pattern on the retest, not quite sure that this was convincing price action enough to suggest that this was a full clean break of that zone, of that initial resistance zone. So a few opportunities early on from the initial support zone, but the bulk of the opportunities came on the FTSE on Friday. So once again, I hope you find these reports useful. Hope you're finding the value in them. Please let me know what you think. Comment in the boxes below on our social media and YouTube channels. If you haven't already, please come join the Keyzone Traders service. It's completely free, and you get all these reports before the market opens and be part of the Keyzone Traders community. So, as I say, hope you're profiting from these reports, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.